As someone who is fluent in Hebrew and English and are studying Yiddish, what do you think is the place of all these languages in Jewish life and culture today?
I think they all have their equal place. And I think that was the main problem with all those arguments 100 years ago between the Yiddishists and the Hebraists is what is the Yiddish, what is the Jewish language? The Jewish language is whatever I mean, because those discussions always also omitted like Arabic and all like Jews who were in completely different places. So yeah, I mean, as a people who are all over the world, we have many different languages. I was talking to, many months ago, I was talking to, I think her name, Jenny Romaine, who deals a lot with like Yiddish theater in New York and stuff like that. And she told me something very interesting that I like, is how I think she sees Israel as just another, not as the goal of the Jews, but just another place where Jews are and Jewish culture is being created. And so I think, yeah, wherever Jews are and culture is being created, whatever language they use is a legitimate language. And enough amazing culture has been created in all these languages that there's room for it all, I guess.